girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited, so gonna get to clapping. Go pop it for a plan, pop it for me. Turn around and drop it for a plan, drop it for me.
Wait.
Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you.
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh!
Ever watched Olympic swimmers glide through water like fish and thought I could never do that? Well, today is your day to change that. We're breaking down the 4 main swimming styles, plus floating, diving, kicking techniques that make you swim faster, safer, and with way less effort. Let's dive in. Let's dive in. Front float, lie on your stomach, facing the water. Arms and legs relaxed. Tilt your head back slightly to let your hips rise. Breathe by lifting your head quickly or blowing bubbles and turning to the side.
At anong piliin yan? Pipiliin ko pa rin siya. Wala ka magawa sa buhay kapag ang taong gusto mo, hindi ikaw ang gusto. Sabi ko sa alaga ko na baka, huwag ka makulit din ha, baka bukas ulamin ka ni Papa.
Backfoot. Lie on your back, arms out to the side like a T on your stomach. Keep your head still, look up at the sky, chest up and hip high. Relax your legs, build a chin float, keep your body still.
Lagi na lang kitang inaaway, di man lang ba ako papansinin? Lahat na ginagawa para lang mapuna, pero nauuwi lamang ang lahat sa alitan.
Kicking. Kicking gives you propulsion and balance. Different styles use different kicks. Freestyle or backstroke kick, or also known as flutter kick. Small, fast kicks from the hips, not the knees. Feet relaxed and pointed like flippers. Hip kicks close to the body. Too much movement wastes energy. Aim for 6 kicks per arm cycle.
Unang kagat, ginawa ko naman ang lahat. Unang talsik, bakit ang sakit? Unang salang, saan ako nagkulang? Unang halo,
Breaststroke kick or frog kick. Bend knees to bring feet to your butt, then push out back in a circular whip motion. Feet should be turned out like a frog's leg pitch. This creates more power. Glide after each kick.
Sa una, masaya. Pero sa uli, may kabit na. Sa una, ipaparanas niya sa'yo kung paano magmahal.
Butterfly kick or dolphin kick. Full body movement. Push chest down, then hips, then feet in a wave. 2 small kicks per arm cycle. One as arm pull down, one as they recover overhead. Can also be used underwater to start a race. Egg beater kick. Used for 3D water or water polo. Alternate moving each leg in a circular motion like mixing butter. Gives you steady, upright balance.
Ang tamis sa taruga na naganap sa simula, ngayon nagaon na.
Diving. Diving looks cool, but safely comes first. Only dive in deep water. Here are the basics. Standing dive. Number 1. Stand at the edge, feet shoulder width apart, toes over the edge. Number 2. Bend knees slightly, lean forward, and extend arms overhead. Number 2. Push off with feet, tuck your chin to your chest, and enter the water head first with your body straight. Number 4. Once underwater, straighten your body and start swimming.
Jo, ano ba yun? Kung galit ka, sabihin mo sa akin.
Freestyle, fastest and most common. Arms, reach forward, enter with fingertips, pull down in an S shape. Coordination of the body would be alternate arms, breath to the opposite side of the moving arm, and the rhythm would be 6 flutter per arm cycle.
Paano kung magmahal ka ng isang taong bawal mahalin sapagkat siya'y nakalaan na para sa iba? Tatanggapin mo ba?
Backstroke, relaxing in face up. B-roll, smooth backstroke movement. Body position, head still, look up, hips high. Arms, circle overhead, enter with pinky first. Pull down, kicking, flutter kicking, feet just breaking the surface.
Itutok mo ang flashlight sa basag na baso at malinaw mong makikita na sa iba na siya sumasaya.
Paano bang magmahal? Palagi bang masasaktan?
Breaststroke, most technical. B-roll, slow motion, pull or kick. Arms, reach, push out, pull into chest. Legs, front kick, kick out, bring in, glide. Breathing, lift head as you pull, put down as you glide. Butterfly, most challenging. Olympic butterfly swimmer. Body undulation, have motion from chest to feet. Arms, both enter together, pull down, recover high. Breathing, lift head slightly as arm pull. Kicking, 2 dolphin kicks per arm cycle.
Ang kapal ng mukha mo, minahal kita! Minahal kita ng sobra-sobra!
Voila!
Ready to level up? Here's what to focus on. Number 1, practice regularly. Even 15 minutes a day make a difference. Number 2, record yourself. Film your swimming spot before mistake. Number 3, take lessons. A coach can fix issues before they become habits. Number 4, mix it up. Try different kicks, floats, and styles to work all muscles.